I chose welding. I had the opportunity. It came along to attend school again, and midway through life, I was like, this is a great opportunity. What field is interest? My husband's a welder. My father was a welder. I'm very creative, and I thought, I'm going to use my creativity and the ability and see what I can come up with. I know I can do this. It's not going to be easy, but I know that I can complete this course and probably do very well. The favorite part of welding is the creativity part of it. Everything that is around us is made from welding at some point. Being a female in the welding program, I feel confident and strong. It's empowering. I didn't have a fear of I was going to be the only one. I'm one of them. I'm part of this team. The instructor, she's there to help, and we all as a team do very well. Don't be afraid. Meet the instructor before the classes start. They'll meet with you. Come in, see the facility, walk around. Just get into the environment and experience a little bit of that before you say, maybe I can't do this, because you can. I hope to see you at West Virginia Northern Community College. You can visit us at WVNCC.edu for more information.